Hello Smarties, welcome to our revision program 4 a day. Today you have 4 math problems to solve. Get a pen and a paper and now you have 2 options. 1. You can pause the video and do it by yourself. I will attach an answer key at the end of the video and you can check your answers, or you can keep watching the video and do it along with me. Here are your questions. The first question, find the next numbers in the sequence. We have 7, 11, 15 and we need to find 2 more numbers. Do you see a pattern over here? 7 and then 11, that means the numbers are going forward, that is addition. By how much is it going forward? Let us count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about 11 and 15? It is also increasing. And how much is it increasing by? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's increasing by 4. So our numbers are increasing by 4. So our next number will be 15 plus 4. What is 15 plus 4? That's right, 19. And to find the next number in the sequence, we have to again add 4 plus 4. 19 plus 4 is 23. So 19 and 23 are the next numbers in the sequence. Next question. Choose the 2 shapes that are octagons. What is an octagon? An octagon is a shape which has 8 sides. How many sides for an octagon? 8 sides. So now we need to count how many sides do these shapes have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is an octagon. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This shape has 9 sides, so it is not an octagon. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This shape also has 8 sides. So these 2 shapes are the octagons. Now we have a word problem. There are 5 coins in the first pile, 8 in the second, 2 in the third and 16 in the fourth. How many coins are there in total? When you see the word total, you know that it is an addition word problem. Which numbers should we add? We will add 5, 8, 2 and 16 because we are counting the number of coins. 5 plus 8 plus 2 plus 16. Let's try to do this mentally first. We know that 8 plus 2 is a 10. So 5 plus 10 plus 16. What's 10 plus 5? That's easy. 15 plus 16. Now, do you remember the double strategy? If you don't, I will leave a link for you here and you can revise the double strategy. We will now split the 16 into 15 and 1. Using the double strategy, what is double 15? Double 15 is 30 plus 1. 30 plus 1, 31. We can also do this using the column method. Let's add the numbers using the column method. 5 plus 8 plus 2 plus 16. This is the ones place and this is the tens place. We always start adding from the ones place. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. Write the 1 here and the 2 carry it over to the tens place. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 31 coins in total. Next question is an easy one. Arrange the numbers in descending order. What is the meaning of descending order? It means we have to arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Let's look at the numbers 412, 421 and 418. Mark the place value: hundreds, tens, ones, hundreds, tens, ones, hundreds, tens and ones. All the hundreds place are the same, so we will look at the tens place. We have 1, 2 and 1. Since 2 is bigger than 1, our biggest number is 421. What's next? Is it 412 or 418? Check the ones place. Since 8 is bigger than the 2, our next number will be 418 and then 412. Here is your answer key. Do let me know in the comments below how many questions did you do correctly. Don't forget to subscribe and we will learn something new in the next lesson.